Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back once again to my channel, The Great Check. And once again, this is Jerry, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix my fellow teacher's printer. So, if you can see here, still, it's in some of my videos. Yeah, it's Epson L3110. The problem for this printer is that it doesn't print. If I want to print something, though I have the document to be printed out, but this printer could not print. As what my fellow teacher told me, that when they use this, then while they were using this, it's out of ink. So probably I could not. I haven't asked them if they really had the drain, or the printer's ink is really, or the printer's ink is really drained when they wanted to fill this up again, the printer, right, this one. So the ink on the printer, if you can see here, the black one is almost full, but the yellow, magenta and cyan is also once again almost out of ink too. So I'm going to show you. I wanted to print something here, like this one. Okay, I want to print this one. Control P. Then the of course the Epson L3110 is chosen, so I'll click this button, print, so that you can see that seems like it's printing, but it doesn't have any text on the paper. You see this one here, so it's really empty. So we'll try to fix this with some simple steps, guys. Just keep on watching. Okay, so just have to press this for a long time. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, done. We'll do it again. We'll have the photocopy button. Wow, right. Aha. Okay, so we have the arthropods, echinoderms, so on and so forth. So we have to do it again. It's a bit cleared now. It's a bit clear now. So we'll do it again. Okay, long press. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we'll try to once again try to print, and actually we are going to just photocopy the uh, paper. Okay, that's here. So we're going to photocopy it, and we'll try it again so that you could see how it fixes. So if you can see, my background is different now because from here I transfer the printer here so that I could have the access to the outlet down there. So of course we'll try to once again press the photocopy button so that you could see how it works this time. Actually, I already have tried this one. So this is the last time I printed this or I photocopied. Oh, this is the actual photocopy, or this is the actual result. This is the actual result of the last time I photocopied that paper down there inside this of course the printer. So we'll try it again by having this button photocopy press, and you can see it. Okay, so it's okay now. See that? So okay guys, until here, and hopefully that this would also help you to fix your printing problem. So bye bye, thanks for watching, have a nice day, may God bless us all. Bye bye.